Okay, here we go through the car wash. It's always a fun thing to take a picture of. Get squirted. Yeah, baby. You only did one side. What about the other side? Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. That's that well done. Good job. Oh, you're doing a good job. For a custom top. Just getting that back window. That needs bad. Bad. Trunk. Good job, sir. This is Turnpike Car Wash at the junctions of Route 1 and 128. It can be tricky to find, but I'll tell you something, it is worth every penny. This is the best car wash going. Love that. And here we go. Here comes the hurricane. Right there, just to let you know. Nice job. Okay, and that's the car wash.